Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to get paid for babysitting. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have already started babysitting for someone and are looking for different ways to actually go ahead and receive the money. So I've been using this app called Cash App to receive money for my babysitting services, and it's been absolutely phenomenal, guys. If you guys haven't signed up for Cash App just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up, and once you do, we'll both instantly get $5. But with Cash App though, it's this green and white icon over here. Cash App makes it super easy to actually request money and pay money. So let's say that you charge $60 an hour for babysitting. You would just type in 60 here and then click on request. And then from this page, you basically just need to enter the parent's name, phone, or email. So notice how when I type here, the Cash App directory changes. You just need to find their name and then request money from them. So the other party would also need to have Cash App as well, so you can send them the link down below in order to sign up. But with Cash App though, there's no hidden fees. You can request money. On the bottom right hand side, you can see a list of all your recent transactions that have taken place on Cash App. On the bottom left hand side, if you click on this card icon, you could actually go ahead and sign up for a Cash App card as well. So the Cash App card is going to use your Cash App balance. So let's say that, for example, you request money and you receive $60. That $60 is actually going to remain in your cash balance on Cash App. And with that, you can actually deposit that money into your own personal bank account. You can put that money into crypto. You can put it into savings, stocks, whatever you name it. But this right here, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and receive money as a babysitter. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. And again, if you haven't signed up for Cash App just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up. And once you do, we'll both instantly get $5. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.